Yeah, so I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today we are about to do Crypto Arbitrage Shop. Yeah, so if you are watching me from TikTok, know that I will not be a first person to chat you. I will not be a first person to chat you. Yeah, and this one, let me tell you one thing. If you want to do crypto arbitrage very like and make money like me, you can't do it on your own. No, don't let people lie to you that you don't need a mentor, blah 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 blah. Go and learn it on your own. It's not forced though. But in crypto, one major thing that's very difficult is you searching for signals to trade. You searching for coins, opportunity coins to trade. That's the most difficult part when it comes to crypto arbitrage. That is why we have a bot that will help you get all the signals. All you have to do is just trade. Yeah. So the reason why I said in crypto arbitrage you need more exchanges is that, let me tell you one thing. So the signal, the bot told me, give me signal about Bybit and XT. It said I should buy ARTY on Bybit and sell it on XT. So in this case, I also open Bank X. So what this thing? So if I come to Bank X right now, the ARTY is 0.2566. On Bybit is 0.2538. On XT is 0.2551. So it means that all these three are different. So at times it will give you like let's say buys from Bybit and go and sell it on let's say XT. But if you have more exchange platforms, that's what I'm saying. The bots will give you more than 70 exchanges so that it will make your work very easy for you. So right now I can buy it on Bybit right now and go and sell it on Bank X rather, because comparing Bank X to XT is selling it. XT. If I come to trade here, XT, I'm selling it for 0.25. But if I come to Bank X over here, Bank over here is 0.2566. So it means that if I buy it on Bybit and sell it on Bank X, I'll get enough profit than buying it on Bybit and selling it out on what? On XT. Yeah, so before you do every trade, there are 4 things that you have to consider. If you're my student, you know the 4 things I'm talking about. You have to consider before you do each and every trade. So after considering all the 4 things finished, then you do your calculation. So right now I'm buying it from here. So I'm buying $1,000 from here, $1,000 from here. If I sell it on XT, let me see. If I sell it on XT, I'll be earning $4.7 as profit. If I sell the same coin on Bank X, I'll be getting $11.03. So it means that me buying it on Bybit and sell it on Bank X is the goal. There I'll be making enough profit. Hope you understand. Yeah, so it's good for you to get enough exchanges. And I said the bots will give you 70 plus exchanges for you to what? Just create an account on and trade. And the bot will, if you buy it, I'll also guide you to know how the bot operates, how you can spot your opportunities and stuff. I'll guide you for you to know. Yeah. So in this case, I come to buy Bybit here. My battery is low, but I have to also do for my fans. So I come to Bybit here. Bybit here is so Bybit here. Yeah. and I'll check the address fee. The address fee is 0.25. So it means that it's not even up to $1. Is that thing? It's not even up to what? $1. It's not even up to $1. So it means that I'll be making, let's say, $10 per trade. Because when you do the trade, they deduct certain, it depends on the money that you're trading with. $1,000, they will deduct, I think, $1 or something from it. So in all, you'll be earning $10 per trade. In all, you'll be earning $10 per trade, or let's say even $9 per trade. So $9 if you're able to. And this one, let me tell you one thing. Like, we have types of arbitrage. This one is exchange to exchange arbitrage, and they are all regulated legally. So you can do as many as you want. And one thing is, if you're about to show that, I already said that there are 4 things that you have to consider. The first one is, let me teach you the first one for free, is limit, or you have to know where you are putting it. You have to know where you are buying it from. Either market order, limit order and stuff. That one I don't teach for free. That one, if I'm a mentee, I teach you how to buy it. You see that thing? People don't know how to buy it when they are doing the crypto arbitrage processing. You see that thing? So you have to know. Yeah. So, and the chart, you can see the chart. And let me tell you one thing. If you want to do crypto arbitrage, starts from midnight, like 12 coming. That one, this one, I'm giving you free tip. Because from the midnight, the markets don't go like that. The movement of the candles are not fast as compared to day and evening. That's why mostly I always advise my students to trade. They should start trading from midnight. That's the key. Yeah. So in this case, they both said I should trade on Bybit and XT, but when I open 5 other exchanges and compare the coin, I saw that even if I buy it on Bybit and go and sell it on XT, I'll be making profit on it. But when I buy it on Bybit and sell it on BankX, I'll be making more profit. You see, I'll be making more profit. That's what I'm saying, that you need to have more exchange platforms. Yeah, you need to have more exchange platforms. And in Africa, we are used to buy nice OKs and stuff. We have a lot. That one, if you purchase the boat will give you more exchange platforms that you need to download them and verify them and use it. Yeah. So I can. And one thing about arbitrage is that it also depends on your capital. Because let's say someone who has $10,000 as capital will buy this here, and let me go and do it on exit first. Let me start from exit first. Exit here. The 10,000, I'm making $55 on the 10,000. $55 on the 10,000. Then let me use limit order. I just put it on limit order just for you to know how you see your profits and stuff. So let me put it over here. So the same coin, if I'm selling it on BankX, I'll be making $233. Have you seen it? I'm making what? $233. So let's say even if like the trade fee, they deduct you, like you have to know the trade fee. Because like, listen, one thing about arbitrage that people don't know, that after, like, let's say you withdrawing your money, they will deduct you, and you trading too, they will deduct money. So you have to calculate all these things. You will see it over here. The estimated trading fee, you see it over here. So you have to deduct that one too from your profit and see. So you can see that this one making $233. So let's say even if the trade fee is like $10, I'm still making $220 per trade on $10,000 per trade on $10,000. That's what I'm saying, that there are opportunities. There's some opportunities. If you have small money, you will not value it. So let me show you something. So if I have $500, this amount, $500. So if I have $500, $500, and sells on Bank X, $500 here, I'll be earning $11 as profit. So if I'm using $100 to do it, $100 to do it, I'll be making $2.3. $2.3. So at times you will spot opportunity, but the higher your capital, the higher the profit. I hope you understand. At times you spot some opportunities, you think that, oh nah, I'm earning $2, I'm earning $1, so it's not all that much for me. And the same amount, if I'm going to sell the same amount on over here, see, I'm earning $0.4 over here, $0.4 on XT. You see, so at times it's better for you to spot more opportunities on different exchanges. When you get a coin, that's how arbitrage works. Compare it on different this thing. I understand. Yeah. So this is how you make your money. My battery is 3%. You let me put it in charge so that you will learn more. Okay. Let me put it in charge. You see, yeah. So at times it depends on your capital. If you have enough capital, you'll be getting enough profit. We're getting what? Enough profit. Yeah. So let me also try this. Using let's say $100,000. I just want us to learn some things. I just want us to learn some things. $100,000. This amount of ARTY I'll get. So I'll come to my Bank X because that's where the opportunity is there more. So I'll come here and sell my ARTY over here. So $100,000, I'll be making $2,331 as my profit per trade. And remind you, you'll be paying withdrawal fee. Withdrawal fee is just 0.2. That's cool. But you're paying trading fee. You'll be paying trading fee. Yeah, you'll be paying trading fee. Yeah, so you deduct all these things from it. You're paying trading fee as well. So don't just think that it's only the withdrawal fee. You also pay trade fee. Yeah, so you have to know that one too. You also pay trade fee. Yeah. And some coins comes with huge trade fee. Some coins too don't come with huge trade fee as well. Yeah. So you can see that someone who has 100,000 capital will be earning $2,331 per trade. $2,331 per trade. And that one, if someone who has 1 million to start trading, this amount that the person will be earning $23,331 310. 23,310 as what? Just profit. As just profit. Yeah, and I saw someone on, I think TikTok. I don't want to mention that person name, and he was making some claiming like with thing that yo, there's no way you can spot opportunity. There's no crypto arbitrage opportunity right now. Blah 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 blah. All the coins are the same. So if all the coins are the same, let me open the chart. This one, this is the bot. What the bot gave me. This one's ARTY. Okay. This one's ARTY. Okay. This one's ARTY. Over here is 0.533. Over here is 0.521. Over here is 0.59. Are they the same? Let me comment and let me see. Comment and let me see. Are they the same? They are not. So don't let someone who is not profitable be on TikTok and be ranting, bragging that like there's no crypto arbitrage, blah 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 blah. Me, if I'm doing black market arbitrage, that one I don't show the app because the app is risky and you need my guidance on it. That's why I don't show the app. But things like this, exchange to exchange, I show all the apps. Yeah, but there are things that you have to know about crypto arbitrage. There are things you have to consider before you initiate a trade. If you don't know all these things, you can't be a profitable. Even if someone can give you a signal and you still can't trade with it. I'm telling the truth. You have to know that even the time to trade, when to start trade. Because there are sometimes you will see they are all the same, but sometimes you see there will be different, like there will be opportunities. So you have to know the time that you'll be trading, how to enter correctly, how to exit and stuff. There's tricks and strategies. You have to know all these things. Don't let someone deceive you that like there's no crypto arbitrage opportunities there, blah blah blah. Oh Charlie, this is what we are doing for a living. This is what we are making money from it. We make money from this more than the mentorship and stuff. How much do you pay for mentorship? How much? Yeah. So if you learn a thing raw, you enjoy it well. That's how it is. If you learn it well, you enjoy it well. That's the tricky side. Yeah. So crypto arbitrage, one thing is that, especially when it comes to the exchange to exchange, if you have $50, $20, you will not see top. And that one I'll tell you. The $50 and $20 are for triangular arbitrage, card to bank arbitrage, black market arbitrage and stuff. Exchange to exchange, this one you can do as many as you want. And this one you need money that you can you can get enough profit on it, because at times you can spot something like this. And let me tell you one thing, if you spot opportunity like this, 0.59, 0.53, don't think that no, this one there's no opportunity. It's opportunity, bro. Just do your calculation and everything finish, just enter trade. It's opportunity. It's that thing, it's opportunity. Yeah. So this is how you do your thing. I'm Crypto Lord, and please, I will not be a first person to chat you. Yeah. And if you're watching me from YouTube, I have my Telegram links and stuff in my channel, in my description. Just click on it and chat me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.